Hello, Edwidge, everyone. This is my screen otastic on how to assign video in Canvas. So a video assignment for your students. Here I have, this is my first time. We go to modules on the left. We want to add an assignment. So the first thing we're going to do is name the assignment. We want a new one. So we go up here, plus assignment, upper right hand corner, and give it a name. Why don't we say practice making a video assignment. Okay, we're not going to publish it yet. And this is in my lower level oral communication academic English class. So I would say, please submit a short introduction based on the one we watched in class. Okay. Go, and we have to give instruction, remind them, go down to submit, then go to submit, then down to the media tab and press record. Save it with your name, for example, Sean introduction. Okay. Remember to submit. Okay, so whatever you're going to say, I would probably do it a little bit different, but this is just for our screen-otastic. Let's go down, move the cursor over to the right a little, as you see. My cursor's here. Give it however many points you want. 3? No, probably 18. Assignment groups and assignments, homework assignments. You see, we have these different groupings in the modules that I use: assignments, homework, in-class, tasks and activities, quizzes and exams, and projects. Homework assignments display as points. And now, this is what the tricky part is, not to forget. We want them to submit online, as we see here, media recordings, and file uploads. You can restrict the type of uploads, such as MOV or MP4 or whatever you need. But it's been working these days with whatever they've got, so it's probably okay. I haven't done peer reviews yet, but I'd like to. In fact, maybe that's what I'll do for Tuesday when I have to be away. Assigned to everyone. Here's the due date. Let's just say Friday. And you can put in whatever time. Available from, you can leave it blank until the end of the course. That's the 11th for this class. This is where you would check the box, notify users this content has changed, and then everyone would get an email from me. Save and publish. I think I will just, save and publish, but I'm going to take it off immediately after so that they don't think they have some homework. So I just got a notification. That means everyone did too. That's okay. They have another homework they're doing right now, so you probably won't see it. So now, how do we do that? So let's go in to settings down below and practice like we're a student. So then upper right, student view, and you get this fuchsia colored student view so that we can see how does the student see our course. Let's go down, click, click, down to week recorder practice. Oh. Uh-oh. Where did I put it? Huh. Well, it's over here. Anyway. Record online intro. So here, up top, submit assignment. I guess I didn't save it. Media, record. Here it comes. The pink is hiding it a little. There we go. Start recording. So there I am again. Start recording. 3, 2, 1. Hi, Sean and whole class. This is Marianne, and I'll be introducing myself to you for practice. Okay, finish. And then what do you do down here? You would type in Marianne. Look at that silly face here. Marianne's practice. Marianne's practice, and probably the date, right? October 2nd. Okay, you can start over. I tell them to don't be perfect. You know, of course, I would do that one again. That's record. You can also over here upload media if you've done it on voice recorder or something else, or any other thing. But sometimes it's too big, so this is why this one is nice. And let's see, go up or down. Save. Save. Silly little dimple face. Maybe it takes a second. Save. Maybe it doesn't save for student view, but that's the idea. And then when it's finished, I'm going to leave student view over here. Leave student view. Leave site leave. And in SpeedGrader, I would see everybody's. You go to SpeedGrader, and then all the students come up. Those are my students. Of course, they don't have anything submitted, but if they did, it would be here. And then I can listen right here, listen and record and answer. And I can download all of them so that I can work offline, give them a grade, type a few comments, and also video. So that's that. Let's see how the screentastic came out.